Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be organizing my pantry, well actually my spice drawer, and I think I'm going to focus a little bit on Ollie's drawer also. Seems like every time I go to cook and I open up the pantry to go for a particular spice, they're not in any kind of order. So I'm like picking up the bottle, I'm reading the label, and it seems like it's the last one I pick up is the one that I need. So I had went to Big Lots the other day, picked up a few organization bins. So the ones that I use mainly more often, I'm just going to group together. And that way whenever I go to cook, I can just pick up that one basket and kind of like this. And it has the ones that I use often in this. So I'm not having to search through the whole drawer to find something. And also I had went to Hobby Lobby and picked up some florals. So I want to get those out on my balcony and kind of straighten it up a little bit and wipe things down. So I'm so glad you're hanging out with me today. Of course I have Ollie here with me. He's going to be my little helper. May try to pick up some of his toys, but I don't know if your fur babies are like mine, but it's like I'll go to pick up one toy to put it away and he comes running. It's like, oh my gosh, that's my toy. Don't touch it. It's mine. So I'm going to see if I'm at least able to pick up a few of those because he has a lot of them out on the floor. Maybe one day I can train him to put his toys back away. But for now, let's get busy starting on the pantry. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is start pulling things out. And as I'm pulling them out, I'll go ahead and place them in the bin. See if I can turn you guys around so you can see what I'm working with. I got the bins on my island, so I think as I'm pulling it out, I'll just start putting them in the bins.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you.
Okay, now I have everything organized where it's easier for me to get to when I'm cooking. And I refilled some of Ollie's treats, and I also have some of my water drops and some Keurig filters and a couple of my snacks in his drawer. And this drawer here doesn't get too bad. It just has some of our plastic baggies and saran wrap and things like that in it, and also like our vegetable oil, olive oils, things in the bottom. Okay, and in the upper cabinet, I just have some extra storage containers and some of our baking goods. When the kids come over, they like chicken nuggets, so have some of that stuff up there. On this shelf, I have my low-carb wraps and just some extra condiments like the no-sugar ketchup and the no-sugar added Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And the next cabinet just has some canned goods, green beans, tuna. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Sometimes you put things off and you dread it to tackle it, but once you actually get started, you see it's not really that bad. It doesn't take that long. And but I was going to record for you guys yesterday, but I had accidentally knocked over my tripod with my camera on it, and thank goodness my camera did not break, but my tripod did. So I had to go to Walmart yesterday and buy a new tripod. And while I was there, let me show you what I found. I found this planter. It's a pot. It's got a little hole in it. You could put a real plant in it, but it is absolutely gorgeous. One reason I fell in love with it is there is a lamp. I believe it's called the Phoebe lamp. I'll insert a photo of it. And I saw it online, and it's so pretty, but it is a little over, I think, $700, and of course, that's not in my budget. I can't pay over close to $800 for a lamp. So I'm really hoping that sometime soon someone will come out with a dupe and that I can get it then. But this reminds me so much of that lamp. So until someone comes out with a dupe or they lower the price, I'm settling for the planter. All right, well, let's move on out to the balcony and get some florals out and pretend it's spring already. Ida, you want to go help us outside on the balcony? You want to go help decorate? Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and just brought out the florals and the greenery that I'm going to be working with today. And I'm going to wipe the tabletops down and then just start putting some stuff out. Not doing a whole lot out here as far as cleaning. It wasn't, I think last week I kind of swept and mopped really good, so we'll save that for another day. I'm just excited to get the greenery out. And Ollie did join us. Let's see if I can find him. There he is. There you are. He normally follows me all over the house anyway. So, all right, let me get these tables wiped down. While I pick up the pieces, turning things around, and maybe things will get better. So wait for me on the other side. Got you by my side. A million reasons for me to see clear, and you're in the middle, so I feel no fear. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you, but hear me out and give me a chance to pick up the pieces, turning things
everything that you do. I make so much progress when I'm here with you. You hold all the pieces, all of me in your hands.
All right, I'm sitting in the floor, and basically all I want to do is just pick up some of these toys, and he's got a little bin, and try to get some of the toys in the basket before he comes and makes me stop. So let me see. Uh-oh. Oh, here he comes. What? It's okay. We're just gonna clean up your toys, okay? What? You wanna play? You wanna play? All right, well, I don't think I'm gonna be able to put his toys away because I think now it's playtime. So I'm going to end this video, play with Ollie, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.
Wait for